show you guys a number that looks like this. Alright guys, I'm glad that you had some time to count it. Make sure that you guys showed it to me with your coins. If you didn't, pause the video right now so that you can show me that number with coins. Okay, so the number looked like this. I'll bring it up a little bit closer. If you see, I have two long poles of 10. So I have 1, 2, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 ones. So if you look, I would count these by tens. Remember that these are worth tens. You count by 10, and we're going to count on. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. The number we made is 27. 1, 2, I see 2 tens. So I'm going to put the number 2 in the tens column. And I see 7 little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to put 7 ones in the ones column. So the number I made is 27. And I could double check my answer with my coins by looking at them. I used 2 dimes to signify 10. Remember, the dimes are worth 10 cents. Each time I use a dime, I'm meaning 10 cents. So I can say 10, 20, and I wanted to show 27. So I need 7 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I made 27 cents. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and present the next problem. Make sure that you are able to write down what number it is. Then make sure that you are placing it in your box of tens and ones. And lastly, make sure that you are showing me with your coins. Make sure that you have your coins ready. Okay, so go ahead and pause this video as soon as I display the picture, which is going to come next. So pause it to look at the picture and count the number of blocks and then the number of coins. And then you can play and you will get more of the answers, okay? Alright, so the next number I displayed on the screen looked like this. So if we look and we wanted to count, I hope you wrote your number down. If not, pause and finish it. Write your number down and make sure that you put it in your tens and your ones and you showed it with your coins. So if I look, I see 3 long sticks, 3 sticks of 10. So I'm going to put 3 sticks of 10. I see 3 tens. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. So the number that I'm talking about is 39. So if I wanted to double check this and show it with coins, I hope your guys' coins look like these. And this is what your answer looks like. So I have 1, 2, 3 dimes, which is why they are in the tens place, because dimes are worth 10 cents. So 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30. But then remember that pennies are only worth 1 cent. So you only count them by 1. So I see 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So yes, my answer is correct. The number I was talking about is 39. So the next question is going to be a little bit tricky, okay? So it's okay if you get it wrong. Don't be worried. I am going to show you guys another number. And this question that is meant to be tricky so that we can learn from it, okay? So I'm going to display the number on the screen. Make sure you pause it. Go ahead and place it in the tens and ones. Tell me what number I made and show me it with your coins, okay? The number I showed you looked like this. It looks very similar to our last picture that I showed you. So I see 1, 2, 3 long sticks. Okay, so I'll write it down in the tens place. I see 3 long sticks, 4 tens, so 10, 20, 30. Now, let's go ahead and count our ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's confusing. So I have 10 of these guys. So if I have 10 ones, can I put 10 here? Did I make the number 310? Does that look like 310? No, right? So let's count them. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So I did not make 310, so I'm going to erase that because we didn't make 310. So if you notice, all of these little guys added up to 10. So yes, I see 3 long sticks, but I also see one group of 10. So 10, 20, 30, and my group of 10, 40. So I have 4 tens, and I have 0 ones. Even though it looks like I have 10 ones, I have 0 because I made them into my group of 10, and I made the number 40. Okay? So if you wanted to show me that in coins, it would look like this. With 3 dimes and 9 and 10 pennies to make 40 cents. Or if you wanted to get rid of all the pennies, you could just use 4 dimes and show me 40. So I'm going to go ahead and place the next problem on the screen. Just like always, make sure that you go ahead and count it. So pause it. And make sure that you count how many you have, write the number down, put it in the tens category, and put it in the ones category, and then make sure that you use your pennies and your dimes, and you show me how to make that number with your pennies and your dimes. So right here, let's get started. Now that you had a chance to go ahead and look over the number and you paused it, the number that I showed you looked like this. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 long poles, 4 tens. So if I see 4 of those, I can count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. But these aren't 10, so I have to count them by 1. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So the number I made was 46. I see 10, 20, 30, 40. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 10. So I'm going to put a 4 in the tens column. And then I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I see 6 little ones all by themselves. You see? They're not a group of 10. They're not stacked on top of each other. They didn't add up to 10. So I made the number 46. How would I show that with coins? I hope that you already have your answer. If not, make sure that you go ahead and pause the video and put your coins together really quickly. Now that you are ready, your coins should look like this. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 dimes, 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 4 dimes, 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 cents, 6 ones. I see 6 ones and 4 tens. So the number that I made was 46. So go ahead and get started. This last number is going to be the last problem that we work on. So it is our last review before you can go ahead and get started on your problem set. I'm going to do problem 1 with you guys, and then you guys can go ahead and get started on the rest of it by yourselves. And then go ahead and send it to me in a picture or in my email, however you would like, and we can get started. So our last number, I'm going to display it on the screen, so make sure that you pause it and you go ahead and put it into your tens and ones. You write the number down that we made, and you use your coins to make that number. And pause it. The number that I showed you looked like this. This is our last problem. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 tens, and I see 1, 2, 2 little ones. So if I see 5 long poles, 5 tens, I'm going to count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. But then these aren't a 10, so I can't count them by 10. So I have to count them by 1. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. There you go. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 2 little ones. The number that I made was 52. How would you show me that with coins, with just your dimes and your pennies? So if you went ahead and showed it to me with your coins, I will display the answer. Now that you have seen the answer, yes, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes. 5 10 cents. So I have to count them by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. So yes, my answer was correct, 52 cents, and I double counted it. Okay, so make sure that you spend the time today counting your coins, practice adding 10 sometimes. And then if you have a number, practice taking away 10. Practice taking away the dime from the amount that you make. Use your coins to try and learn to count, and adding tens and adding ones, and you will only become so much better at math. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed our math lesson today. Please go ahead and do problem set number 6. I attached it on Classroom Dojo as a file, so just go ahead and download it, print it out, and go ahead and do problem set number 6. Send it to me in an email whenever you get a chance, or have mom or dad send me a message on Classroom Dojo. I hope we're in class very soon, and I miss you guys very much. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. I miss you guys. Bye.